Hello, scholars. Common mistakes to avoid in APA 7th edition formatting. There are many resources online to help you understand APA 7th edition style formatting. Two that I think are helpful: APA 7th Student Sample Paper by Purdue OWL, and the 7th edition Student Paper Setup Guide. I will use the setup guide throughout this video. This guide is also linked in your assignment modules for your convenience. Starting with formatting. APA paper formatting is very specific. Therefore, pasting your essay into Canvas will cause you to lose important formatting such as margins, fonts, font sizes, line spacing, paragraph alignment, and indentation and page numbers. Please use a word processor to write and edit your essay, then upload the document to Canvas to avoid formatting errors. Title page. The most common error with the title page is that many students add the title above their essay. In APA 7th edition style, the title is a separate page. Think of a cover page. This allows you to save much needed space to achieve the one-page writing limit in our course. Another common mistake is forgetting the title altogether. The student guide goes on to describe formatting for long papers. And other elements like subheadings. For this class, we're writing one-page essays, so those elements do not apply to us. Here's a visual example of a student paper. In this example, you can see that the title page is on the top, and then the essay begins. Note that references are at the end. References are at the end of your paper, and they begin on their own separate page. The title, reference, or work cited is bold and centered. APA is an excellent way to format your papers for a clean and polished, industry-recognized look that will allow the reader to consume your prose without distraction. I recommend that you make it a habit. Thank you.